Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel CAD Tutorial. I am Muhammad Adeem Asar, and in this video we comes to know that how to make a simple basket. So first of all, click on the front plane and then sketch. Take a line, click on the origin and right horizontal. Now give its dimension. Make it 75 millimeter. Okay. Now take 3-point arc. Click on this point and on this point and right here. Now give its dimension. Make it 75 millimeter. $70 millimeter, and its radius is 75 millimeter. Okay. Now take another line, click on this point and right horizontal. Select smart dimension, make it 20 millimeter. Okay. Now take a line for construction and right from the origin. Click on this line and make it for construction. Now move on the surface tab, select revolve surface, select this line and make it okay. Now select thicken command, select it and make it 2 millimeter. Now click on this face and then sketch. Take a circle, click on the origin and right here. Now give its dimension. Make it 313 millimeter. Okay. Now take a line, click on this point and right here. Now give its dimension. Make it 14 millimeter. Okay. Set offset entirety. Select this line and make it 25 millimeter. Select bidirectional and make it okay. Now take another line and join these 2 points. Select trim entirety. Trim this line. Okay. Now take another line. Click on this point and right horizontal. Click on this line and make it for construction. Select mirror entity. Select these lines and mirror about this line. Again select trim entity. Trim this circle and make it okay. Now take another circle and right from the origin. Now move on the feature tab, set extrude cut. Cut it out. Now click on this face and then sketch. Take a circle, click on the origin and right here. Draw in the circle. Draw 6 circles. Now give them dimension. 180 millimeter, 200 millimeter, 220 millimeter, 240 millimeter, 260 millimeter, and 280 millimeter. Okay. Now take a line, click on this point and write vertical. Take another line and write here. Now give its dimension. Make it 2 millimeter. Okay. Select mirror entity. Select this line and mirror about this line. Now select trim entity. Trim these circles and this line. Make it okay. Now select circle sketch pattern. Select all these rectangles. Make it 41 and make it okay. Now move on the feature tab. Select extrude cut. Cut it out. Now give them color. Okay. Now click on this face and then sketch. Take a circle. Click on the origin and right here. Take another circle and right here. and then here. Now give them a dimension. Make it 83 millimeter, 106 millimeter, and its dia is 133 millimeter. Okay. Now take a circle, click on this point and drop to here. Select circle sketch pattern, select this circle, make it 40. Okay. Now move on the feature tab, select curve and then split line. Select this face and make it okay. Okay. Now click on this face and then sketch. Take another circle and drop to here. Now give its dimension. 208 millimeter, 49 millimeter, and its dia is 289 millimeter. Take another circle and write from this circle up to this circle. Now select circle sketch pattern, select this circle, make it 40. Okay. Now move on the feature tab, select curve and then split line. Select this face and make it okay. Now give it appearance. Give background appearance. Now click here and curtain. Now you see that our part is completed. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.